Hey everybody, Bird here, Bird's Herbs Adventures, up on the top of the Rocky Mountains in Utah. This is a review or just a quick show of it. The Luxe Megahorn 3 with the incredible friggin' Batwing down there. I'll show you in a second, but this is the third day in snow for the Megahorn, and I got here right before it starts snowing. You can see there's at least a good foot sitting on that log there. But real quick, go to Luxe Megahorn, their website for all the specs and everything. But it's a 4-man tent, roughly 11 by 13. It has 2 doors on each side, as you can see. Here's one on the back side. Has all the integrated tie down, guy out wire cables with the self-adjusting straps. It comes with or without the stove jack, and that is the GStove coming out of there right now. But you can see the Luxe has a little Tipi top. It is, I'll tell you what, I've had this many of snowstorms and this thing holds up incredibly. But it has minimal, like 4 points that real easy to set up, really easy. You can look at some other videos, but this is, 18 inches of snow on it for 3 days. And then the Batwing, let's go into the Batwing. 16 by 16. I'm pulling all this stuff in on a polk sled over there, a jet sled. But this, wait till we go inside. Look at this, 16 by 16. And it has that canter, the cut where it's cut differently that you can have a lot of configurations. I'm kind of bunched up in these trees. There we go. Oh, there we go. Batwing coming in. You can see down the side. We're coming in, look at all this room. And it comes off the pitch. I'm 6'2". It's a little low with the snow load on it, but the Luxe Megahorn is 7'2" tall. So you can really stand up and change and everything. Let's see here. Here's the second door. Both doors have no seam mesh for mosquitoes. Let's see, I'm jumping back and forth, but on the Batwing, it has on all the points, it has all tie out, guy outs and stuff with self-adjusting, and then you just roll them up and put them in a little pocket that's incorporated. Coming in real quick, like I said, the GStove with the water tank, having coffee and tea. It's a mess right now because I'm cleaning up, but you come in and up to the top, it's a scrunch, no seam mesh top up there, screen, so no mosquitoes. You can see the straps. It goes on the pole. This is not the pole that it comes with. This is my heavier duty one because I knew I was going to have a heavy snow load. Let's see, and then coming out up top, the Batwing has a aluminum grommet that pops in on the top of the pole. So that starts there, and then when you come out, you just need a tree or a pole, or you can run a guy out. But anyways, I know I've missed a lot of details and specs, but like I said, go to Luxe Megahorn. And when you're looking it up, Luxe Tipi tents. We're doing some hot Tipi tenting. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this and it was somewhat informative. This is Bird signing out.